Top 9 Most Dangerous Foods for Dogs. As a dog owner, you undoubtedly want to share all of your tasty human treats. Knowing when to say no is part of being a good dog parent. Some foods are simply harmful to dogs and can result in a variety of health issues. No matter how charmingly they beg, there are a few foods you should never feed dogs. 1. Chocolate. Theobromine is not hazardous to humans, but it is the portion of chocolate that is toxic to dogs. It can be found in all types of chocolate, although it's most prevalent in dark and baking chocolate. It can make a dog vomit, have diarrhea, and become very thirsty, but it can also induce abnormal heart rhythms, convulsions, tremors, and death in extreme cases. 2. Salt. Sodium-ion poisoning, as well as excessive thirst and urine, can be caused by too much salt. In addition to bloat, consuming too much salt can cause vomiting, diarrhea, elevated body temperature, and seizures. Because too much salt in your dog's food can be lethal, keep it to a minimum. 3. Garlic and onions. If taken in large quantities, garlic and onion can actually harm a dog's red blood cells, resulting in anemia. Although a tiny amount may not cause harm, a big dose or repeated small doses can cause poisoning. Weakness, vomiting, dyspnea, and a loss of appetite are all possible symptoms. 4. Milk, cheese, ice cream, and other dairy products. You may have hidden medicine in a piece of cheese for your dog, but canines aren't designed to handle cow milk products. Dairy can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and gastrointestinal disorders in dogs. As is the case with fatty meats, the excessive fat level might cause pancreatitis. 5. Raw meat, fish, and eggs. This is a controversial topic, as many veterinarians are seeing health benefits from switching their patients to raw meat diets, such as healthier skin and coats, cleaner teeth, and easier digestion. Cooking raw food, according to some veterinarians, kills bacteria and parasites that can be harmful to dogs. Before you decide to try a raw diet, you should weigh the risks against the benefits. 6. Candy, gum, and baked goods. When it comes to these treats, the underlying problem is a substance called xylitol. It triggers an insulin surge in your dog's body, which might induce blood sugar drops and liver failure. Lethargy, vomiting, loss of coordination, convulsions, and death are some of the symptoms. 7. Grapes and raisins. Your dog has undoubtedly eaten some grapes or raisins without incident, thus this is a subtle case of harmful foods. In dogs, grapes and raisins have been linked to renal failure. Your dog's kidneys may begin to fail, resulting in vomiting and lethargy, and eventually death. 8. Sugary foods. Sugary food is bad for humans, and it's even worse for dogs. Obesity, tooth problems, and diabetes can all be the result of eating too many high-sugar treats. 9. Avocados. Persin, a chemical found in avocado leaves, seeds, bark, and fruit, is at the center of much of the debate about avocados and dogs. In high doses, persin can be toxic. Dogs, on the other hand, are quite resilient to persin, and it would take a lot of avocados to harm them. If you have an avocado plant in your house or yard, your dog may eat the unripened fruit and persin, but the actual danger is the seeds, stems, and pits, which are difficult to digest and can lead to choking or gastrointestinal obstructions, both of which can be fatal. Uncooked yeast dough, fruit seeds and pits, raw potato, baked bones, apple cores, alcohol, caffeine, and human medicine are other foods that your dog should avoid. Do not allow your dog to come into contact with these items, since they are all hazardous to their health. Stick to a vet-approved diet or do some research on healthful items you may feed your dog. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to get more videos like this one.